Friends, hello! Man, I'm excited. This market is continuing to do well. I hope no one is going to cut the lifeline here anytime soon. Let's talk about Globalstar. So, I've been preaching about Globalstar here for about, I don't know, maybe 2 years now. Active investor in Globalstar, and we are seeing a lot happen here with Globalstar. It's always one of those stocks, even when it's down, it bounces back. In Globalstar, I made a video a few months ago where I talked about the future of what Globalstar was trying to do. They came out, timeline, I can't really recall, sorry, but they came out anyway saying what they have planned for the next 4 to 5 years. Going into the next 2 years, they're going to be releasing new satellites into orbit for, what they do as a company that does satellite, phone connection, things like that, GPS systems, moving their 5G network. So they're going to be upgrading as a communications company. Now, Globalstar, the stock as of late, it is definitely liking where this market is right now. Growth stocks the past 3 weeks have been doing really well. We haven't seen major climbs, but we've seen major climbs in the sense of we're having steady climbs each day and each week to new heights here, or just kind of gaining a lot of ground back with a lot of these stocks. Now, Globalstar is right in that pattern as well. So this 145, we'll say, to this one high 30 range, we're seeing this play out a lot right now with Globalstar. And I've got to show you this. If you guys have been following Globalstar for at least a year, this right here is very comical. So, and just FYI, I don't follow these guys, what they say. I just like to see what they say for laughs and giggles here. But Investors Observer, the one group that has been really just destroying a lot of growth stocks and Globalstar as well. Now they have Globalstar at a 73% buy-in. They're telling people they need to be buying Globalstar. That's hilarious. Now, if you remember it's been probably about a year and a half now, we had analysts come out with Riley Investors saying that they really think Globalstar is undervalued and that they expect this to be a $3 to $350 stock. Now, obviously, as of yet, Globalstar has not hit that, but this market has taken a huge turn this year, and a lot of things that were supposed to happen have not happened with a lot of stocks. But Globalstar, one thing we can say here, has been surviving. So even today, look at this today. This is kind of weird. Look at this today. Look at this right here today. This is kind of crazy right here. Look at this swoop we see right here. This weird sell-off, and then we have a buyback in right here around 6 o'clock. So I'm making this around 7 o'clock tonight, and this thing's still moving after market here a little bit. Not much, but just a little bit. So friends, I know a lot of you have bought into Globalstar at a very low rate here. A lot of you may still be sitting at a 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 cent zone. That's when we started talking about Globalstar here, and that's been almost 2 years now. Globalstar has obviously had a lot of up and downs here, even with some fake news last year when people were saying they're going to partner with Apple. That was a complete lie. Did not happen. Could that happen in the future? Who knows? I don't know. But we have nothing to ground that information on. It was just a complete lie, and it shot the stock up. But one thing we do know is that Globalstar is moving forward with their communications company. They're going to be putting out new, bigger, better satellites to improve their company, to improve their service, and attract new, bigger investors into them. And I'm not talking about like me, you people. I'm talking about bigger companies. I'm talking like bigger deals with Qualcomm or Apple. Who knows? We don't know what the future holds. Obviously, we as investors, we're hoping for the biggest thing. Obviously, I'm hoping Tesla starts talking about Globalstar tomorrow for their satellite company for their cars, but obviously that's not going to happen because they have their own setup there. But friends, with all that said, Globalstar is a growth stock. This is 100% a stock that is going to continue to grow, that you really need to pay attention to, friends. That this is one that you're going to just slowly put money in, and you really just need to pay attention where they're going and what they're doing. So friends, put this in your favorites, or if you're already investing in Globalstar, I think this is something we need to be happy about, cheer about. There's a lot more coming down the pipeline with Globalstar. This stock is surviving this stock market right now. That's really what we need to pay attention to. That's a dead giveaway of a strong position right now with investors and where they see this company right now with the stock. We have had sell-off this year, but it has not been mass sell-off compared to a lot of penny stocks, growth stocks that have had reverse splits already, have gone under, have been delisted. Globalstar is not even in that realm right now. This is a very healthy stock, healthy company. I really think we need to continue to pay attention to this. This could be the sleeping dragon in the cave. Globalstar could have huge potential here in the next X amount of time, friends, for us as investors. So friends, with all that said, remember, be positive, be you, take time to invest in their future years. Friends, I'm really excited, man. This is awesome. I will talk to you soon. Bye, everyone.